Wearing the hair system for me has been pretty life-changing.
I feel more confident than I ever have.
It makes me feel like I'm a woman again.
When you go out and people compliment your hair, it makes you feel really confident.
With my new hair system, I had a lot more confidence going out day to day. It makes me feel much more confident and happy every minute of the day.
Someone said literally, "Oh, you've got lovely hair," and then I'm like, "Oh, this is not real," and they're like, "What?" It's just meant that I can do so much more with my life and go and be who I want to be.
I would never go out and someone would not say, "Oh wow, your hair looks amazing," which is lovely to hear. So that's always exciting. Likewise, if I get pictures taken of me, or if they're on Instagram or Facebook and people comment and say, "Love your hair," it makes you feel fantastic. Really happy with where I am, with the hair I've got. People compliment it all the time, so it's just a great feeling.
And everybody was so wowed by it. Everybody commented on my hair, how it looked beautiful. I can do anything I want to do. Having a Lordhair hair system has given me back my confidence.
I can do whatever I want, it's just there, it's just part of me. Wearing these Lordhair systems, for me, is a life changer, really.